Landing page settings. The landing page is an optional campaign element. You can drive the traffic straight to the offer page. However, a well-designed landing page helps to increase conversion rates significantly. All landing pages should be hosted on your side. If you want to use a landing page in a campaign, you should configure the landing page code to connect it with BeMob. In BeMob, go to the Tracking URL section at Settings. Copy Click URL or Multi-Offer Click URL and set it on the CTA button of your landing page code instead of your offer URL. Once your landing page code is ready, you should add your landing page URL to BeMob. Go to the Landing section and click on the New button. Select the workspace from the drop-down menu that the traffic source will be assigned to, or leave Master as the default option. Specify the name of your landing page. Next, paste your landing page URL into the URL field. You can also pass the additional information to your landing page using the list of available tokens to perform dynamic callouts. Changing the country label will adjust the name of your landing page. If your landing page is available for several geos, set the country field to Global. In the Tags field, you can add the personalized tags to group landing page elements by specific criteria, and then perform the search based on specified values. In the Offers section, you should specify the number of offers that should be equal to the number of CTA buttons for your landing page. For example, you have 2 CTA buttons which lead to different actions such as Register Now and Buy Now. In this case, multi-offer click URLs should be used, and the number of offers in landing page settings should be 2. In the Offers section, you should specify the number of offers that should be equal to the number of CTA buttons for your landing page. The offers number cannot be changed after the landing page settings are saved. Press the Save button to store your traffic source settings. After that, you will be returned to the panel view and will see your newly added landing page listed.